Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is about Allama Iqbal and his dreams. Do you know what was the dream of Allama Iqbal? The dream of Allama Iqbal was an Islamic country where the rules of Islam, where the Islamic laws can be implemented. You know what Iqbal has done for the existence of Pakistan? He has served his life. He has worked day and night for the existence of Pakistan. But do you know what? He dreams. But at the existence of Pakistan, he was not there because he was dead 7 years ago. Do you know what he dreams for? He dreams for a country, a Islamic country. But do you know what today we have? A Pakistan where we don't have Islamic laws. Do you know why? Because Allama Iqbal has done his work, but we didn't work. Because the dreams of Allama Iqbal was for us. He worked, but we didn't work. You know what we are called? We are called the Shaheens of Iqbal. What we are called? Shaheens of Iqbal. But do you know we have become the biggest enemy of the dream of Allama Iqbal? Because we have done nothing. We have done nothing. You know what we have done? Our country today, because it is our duty. So it is our duty to develop our country, not Iqbal's duty. It is our duty because we are the Shaheens of Iqbal. And you know what we have done? In Pakistan, each and every corner, there are the laws of those who are not, there are the laws of non-Muslims. There are no Islamic laws in Pakistan. You know, Islam came into existence of La ilaha illallah. And you know, in Pakistan, we were not able to implement the law of Khatmi Nabuwat. You know why? Because we didn't work hard. Because we have given this country to the hands of those who are corrupt. Why we didn't work hard? It was our duty to work hard for the dreams of Allama Iqbal. You know what was what we have extracted from the poetry of Allama Iqbal? The biggest thing is unity. And today we are fighting with each other on the basis of cultures, on the basis of languages. Are we the Shaheens of Iqbal? No, brothers, no. We should work hard for the dreams of Iqbal, for the ideology of Iqbal, because he have given his life for us, and we should work hard. This is not the matter of Iqbal and his dream. This is the matter of La ilaha illallah, because this country comes into the existence of La ilaha illallah. We should work hard because at the day of judgment, we would be asked about what we have done to this country and what we have given to this country. So I beg you, brothers, be patriotic to your country. Be patriotic to your country.